morning! Good morning, my dear ones. This is Zori G. Good morning from our fifth day from our trip. Today we are in Petra, Jordan, and we will enjoy amazing day in this beautiful and famous place. You can see the beautiful rocks behind me. Let's go and have fun. This is our breakfast. Hello my dear ones, we just have arrived in Petra. You can see Petra Visitor Center. So today we will have super interesting day with horses and camels and the beautiful Petra. Come with me and enjoy.
И называется этот памятник дворцом дочери фараона, а фактически это храм Душара. Вот отсюда у нас свободное возвращение. Тот, кто захочет, будет время подняться к церкви на одном из холмов под номером 10 или дворец новосельского периода, но в христианские времена
75 euro entrance fee. We're riding! Woo! Hello, horsey. Horsey. Ooh. Yay! Hello guys, we're riding horse. Beautiful Petra, the gorgeous city, ancient city, royal city. That is super lovely. We're now in Petra and you can see the beautiful rocks around me, and we're going down the hill over there. The canal of the city, you can see it, and it was super nice and beautiful here, and there were thousands of camels on this way coming to the city of Petra. One of the most known places on the road here in Petra, so it's a very beautiful one. Town. The flower is pink, and this is because of the minerals. There's a lot of iron actually in the rocks, that's why it's this pink red color. Here was also done Nabateev язычники. This was a sacred place where is
покровитель гор вот в этом месте, покровитель
This is the protector
создатель
of
всего
Petra.
сущего, вот, давший людям, подаривший виноградную лозу, научивший выращивать пшеницу и так далее.
This is an elephant or a fish. You can see it in the rocks. There it is.
Последние сильнейшие землетрясения в этом.
the treasury of Petra. Wow, guys, look at
$1
that.
this one.
Above the 6 columns is a cup that actually symbolizes the 7 days of the week. And there is grape. And it's related with Yom. That's why there is a lot of grape. Is Nikki the wine
How many times? 1 hour, 2 hours, 3. How many times from done?
See a lot of things that you can buy here. See the beautiful. Wow, it's so gorgeous. Are the tombs of the people. You can see the halls behind me. And yeah, we will see this place. And the camels behind me as well. You have seen them already. A lot of souvenirs. Theater of Petra.
В этом месте
أيوة тебе нахасу.
поклонение божествам новотельским. Поклонение новотельским был облицовано.
Also the grace. And after that,
Христианские времена, да,
during
это
the
могли быть
Christians, they were living here. Because the Christians haven't built a lot in Petra, center of Petra. And if you see the stones over there, this is everything that have left from palaces and shops and everything, because during the earthquake everything was destroyed. "50 square meters
Вы помните, я вам издалека показывала
is
гору Ор.
the size of Petra.
Тоже входит
All of these are places where are the graves of the royals." New video. Before you are the remains of Nymphenium, or public drinking fountain, which is on the eastern end of Petra's coronated street. Yes, complex of Petra. You can see it here. Temple of Petra, the Petra papyri. There are some mosaics. You can see them, a lot of columns. This is what you can see here. Animals. Also some mosaics. We're on the camels. We continue our tour in Petra on the camels. And we look fantastic, as you can see. And behind me are the places where the people were living. Yeah, this is my camel. It's very cute. I love it and it's beautiful. My camel is very beautiful.
Famiglia, happy dopo lo spettacolo.
Beautiful camels. My camel is the leader. So our guide who is here leading us. You can see that actually these shoes are made from iron. And so beautiful. Wow, look at that, guys. So gorgeous. This beautiful shop. So lovely. So gorgeous. We are leaving Petra, we're leaving Jordan, and we are going to Israel, and we will pass the border. Here you can see all the beautiful shops, camels, hats, scarves, and everything, and everything around. Yeah. Goodbye, Jordan. Cotton on my skin, ocean breeze.